Meet the NuDerma Skin Therapy Wand, a portable, high-frequency skin rejuvenation machine that boosts cellular energy naturally for a more youthful complexion. The NuDerma wand produces 10 watts of power at high frequency that can be delivered to your skin with the 4 included attachments. Treatments are completely painless. Use the mushroom tube to visibly reduce wrinkles and fine lines through increased blood circulation and collagen production. Get tighter and more youthful-looking skin in as little as 4 weeks. The bent and tongue tubes quickly treat acne and blemishes on the spot, so they are reduced 90% faster. Energize hair follicles using the comb tube to stimulate new growth while reducing hair shedding and dandruff for thicker, fuller, and healthier hair. Boost your skin's cellular metabolism by up to 5 times to improve your skin and hair health profile. Healthier skin and hair is more beautiful skin and hair. NuDerma. Achieve natural beauty.